Hello guys, welcome to DIY Everything. Now we're back and what we're going to do is unbox a coffee grinder that just came. Okay, and instead of buying coffee already ground up in pods and stuff, I say, okay, let's just grind our own coffee. It's much cheaper, more, and tastes better. Let's see, this, there's the top. And we got a little scoop. Scoop the coffee out and brush out the grinder. Put this over here. Okay. And this particular one is the, let's see, it's the Chardor. It's the brand Chardor. I got from Amazon about 35 bucks. Okay, twist. And it comes with two different cups, two different sets of blade grinders. And put that aside. I got the instruction manual. And on this one, okay, with this cup, as you can see, it has one blade and it's the grinder. And the grinder is used for grinding dry ingredients. And that's such as coffee beans, nuts, linseed, spices, etc. And now the other cup that it came with, it's got two blades in there that's crossed. And that's the chopper. You can chop wet ingredients like onions, garlic, herbs, little vegetables, etc. So with the coffee grinder, you got a chopper, two blades. Excuse me. Then you have the one blade, which is the grinder for dry goods. Okay, a lot of people don't realize that. So you get two for one. Just jump out the way. So and then the grinder has a gauge in there to show you the max, so you know how much not to put or to put. You just push in and it locks in place. Just twist tie. And it has the top, and you'll notice the bottom also has a lock and unlock symbol, so you can't really mess it up. It will only go in there one way. You know, that's unlock. It's a little dot. I don't know if you see that, and then the lock, and it's snug. And this does the same thing. So you twist and slight push down, you see the same thing. You know, you see the lock and unlock symbol. You turn it and it locks. And this particular grinder, which is pretty cool, it has the dial setting for coarse, and it's very light touch to medium to fine, and has a little push button to turn on and turn off. See, just click, and that's it. And then you just hit it. So I'm gonna put it on, what's that, 15. I'm gonna put it on like in the middle, and we're gonna test this out. Pop that, okay. Plug it up. Okay. Got some coffee grains. And some coffee beans, some coffee grains. Got some coffee beans. And I put a little bit in here just to test it. Let's see. I put about halfway. Okay. Push down, click tight. That's locked in place. I got it on like in the middle, 15, so we're gonna do like a medium grind. Okay, here we go. Very quiet, it will stop when it's finished. Very smooth, not very loud at all. It's like a low vacuum cleaner hum, and that's it. Take that off. That smells good. Okay. Take the cup out. You see? And I'm gonna pour this in here. Now that's medium. It's on like 15. Ooh, that's nice. And see, and that's what this little brush is for. You can brush out the rest of the little powder. And that's pretty fine, really. If you look at it like, okay. It's better than what you get at the store. And you don't realize how much money you'll save just grinding your own coffee yourself rather than buying at the store. Because see, you paying them to grind your coffee beans for you. But if you do it yourself, and it's like you get 120, 30, 35 bucks. And grind your own coffee and put it back in the bag, you save a whole lot of money. And remember, this is for dried goods, 1 blade, and a 2 blade. That's for chopping, like you have onions, garlic, the wet vegetables, carrots, whatever. You can just chop that up, chop. And there you go. And I think you get a lot for your money. Okay, and that's it for DIY everything. Check out on the next video. Later.